Especially because it's not like hiccups are, an imaginary thing. Like, it's a real sensation. Like, your diaphragm is spazzing. So things like drinking water, the whole idea behind it, if I remember correctly, is to like reset your diaphragm so that way it'll fix that problem. Like, it's not something that's just made up. Like, how could telling yourself that it is somehow fix it? Like, there is something happening in your body. So why would you telling your body that it's not happening just get rid of it? I don't know.